In this video, I will teach you how to add or insert headers and footers in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you are creating a presentation or project, so you can add different headers and footer text into your slides. As you can see, I have started with the blank slide. This is my first slide. I will click here and will make some duplicate slides here, like showing you from scratch. So like you can see now, we have 5 different slides. So what we can do, we can go to the insert tab and header and footer, and here you can see in the slide, if you want to add date and time, when you click here on date and time, if you check this option, you can see in the preview panel on the bottom left side, see this is highlighted. So if you click on apply to also, see the bottom left side, now you can see on the slide bottom left side there is a text with the date and time. So you can see it's appearing in each and every slide. Again, I will go to header and footer, and if you want to change the format, you can change it from here, apply to all, see the format of time will change. You can also add slide numbers. So see now the right side is highlighted, apply to all. So see the first slide is showing 1, second slide is showing 2, third slide is showing 3, and so on, showing their numbers. Again, I will go to header and footer. If I want to add some footer note, I will check footer and I will press and hold Alt key on my keyboard, and 0169 I will press, then I will release the Alt key. So this will make a copyright symbol. So I will type here copyrights and like this, but and all rights reserved. Apply to all. So you can see it has been applied to all slides. So it is showing now on the bottom center. You can see it's appearing. So footer, it's appearing on the footer. Okay. Now again to header and footer and slide we have added. Now we can go to notes and handouts and date and time. If we check this option now, see this is highlighting. So this will appear only when we will take a print out of this page. If we apply to all, now you can go to view, and in the view section you can see notes page. This is normal view, so you can see notes page. Now you can see on the top right side of this page, you can see not slide, so the page that you will take a print out. So the time is appearing here. Again, I will go to insert header and footer. If I want, like here only this should appear like 2024. So apply to all, see it's appearing only year, and page number, so it will appear here. Header and welcome to but IT solutions, and footer like next slide. Any message you can add, apply to all, and you can see it will appear here, welcome to but IT solutions, and next slide is appearing here. Here year is appearing, and here the page number is appearing. So this will only show when we will take a print out. So this is the easy method, and I explain clearly and thoroughly, so you can easily now add or insert headers and footers in your PowerPoint presentation slides. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. Thank you so much once again.